Restoring sexual vigor. What to do when your sexual performance declines. Sexual health is an integral aspect of overall well-being, and changes in sexual performance can be concerning for many individuals. If you've noticed a decline in your sexual abilities, know that you're not alone, and there are proactive steps you can take to revitalize your sexual vigor. This article aims to provide valuable insights and practical strategies to address the issue of declining sexual prowess, helping you regain confidence and strength in the bedroom. Understanding the causes of sexual decline. The first step in reclaiming your sexual potency is to identify the possible causes of the decline. Various factors can contribute to decreased sexual performance, including age, stress, hormonal imbalances, underlying health conditions, medication side effects, and lifestyle choices. By recognizing the root cause, you can better tailor your approach to restoring your sexual vitality. Communication is key. Discussing concerns about sexual performance with your partner can alleviate anxiety and foster emotional support. Open communication not only strengthens the bond between partners but also provides an opportunity to understand each other's needs and desires better. Mutual support and understanding can go a long way in addressing and overcoming sexual challenges together. Adopting a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for overall well-being and sexual health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient rest can positively impact sexual performance. Additionally, limiting alcohol consumption, quitting smoking, and managing stress can further enhance your sexual vitality. Seeking professional advice. If you notice persistent issues with sexual function, consulting a healthcare professional, such as a urologist or sex therapist, is essential. They can assess your health, provide personalized advice, and recommend appropriate treatments or therapies, if needed. Some individuals might benefit from hormone replacement therapy or other medical interventions to address specific underlying conditions. Trying natural remedies. There are several natural remedies believed to enhance sexual performance, such as certain herbs and supplements like ginseng, maca root, and L-arginine. While these remedies may not work for everyone, some individuals have reported improved sexual function with their use. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before trying any new supplements to ensure they are safe and suitable for you. Embracing emotional intimacy. Fostering emotional intimacy with your partner is equally crucial as physical intimacy. Engaging in meaningful conversations, spending quality time together, and expressing affection can strengthen your emotional connection and, in turn, enhance your sexual experiences. Conclusion. Experiencing a decline in sexual ability can be distressing, but it's essential to remember that it is a common concern that many individuals face at some point in their lives. By understanding the possible causes and implementing proactive measures, such as open communication, a healthy lifestyle, seeking professional advice, and exploring natural remedies, you can work towards revitalizing your sexual vigor. Moreover, fostering emotional intimacy with your partner can contribute to a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual relationship. Remember, there's no shame in seeking support, and with patience and perseverance, you can reclaim your sexual confidence and enjoy a fulfilling and vibrant sex life. Thanks for watching.